Hey guys, the health benefits of oranges. Oh yeah, oranges have so many health benefits. It's retarded. You might think it's just a common fruit that you just sits in your fridge and whatever, orange, vitamin C. There is so much more to the orange story. So I'm gonna share with you some well-researched, proven health benefits of oranges. Here we go. So the micronutrient profile of oranges is fantastic. Oranges, one medium orange has 93% of your vitamin C that you need for the day. It also has good amounts of fiber, folate, vitamin B1, pantothenic acid, copper, potassium, and it does have calcium as well. Ooh, yeah. Who knew, right? Let's start with the vitamin C, of course. Why should you care about vitamin C? Vitamin C is so essential to your body. It is your body's primary water-soluble antioxidant. It's what your body draws on first in order to protect it from free radicals, toxins, cancer, DNA mutations in the aqueous parts of your body, and your body is 70% water. So that is a hell of a lot of aqueous, parts of your body that your body needs vitamin C for. It's not a good idea to be deficient in vitamin C. Also, your body uses vitamin C for proper immune system functioning. So if you want to protect yourself against viruses, pathogens, bacterial infections, it's really important that you have adequate amounts of vitamin C. Now, this is the really interesting thing, They found in Italy, they did some research in Italy, and they're like, yeah, oranges have a fuckload of vitamin C, right? Right. But is that what is really responsible for all of the protective effects that it has on our bodies? Apparently not. They did a study where they took two separate groups. They took one that just drank freshly squeezed pure orange juice, and they compared it to people who just drank a vitamin C solution in water, so just the vitamin C supplement. And then they took blood samples at 8-hour intervals after they had consumed either the orange juice or the supplement, and they exposed these blood samples to damage. They exposed the blood samples to hydrogen peroxide as well as free radical damage. And then they observed how the blood samples responded to this damage, They found that only the people who had consumed the orange juice, their blood samples were the only ones that actually had any protective effects against this damage that they induced in the lab. And it reduced the damage by 18%. So that there is proof. The researchers concluded that it is not just the vitamin C, it is the whole matrix and the phytochemicals within the orange juice that all interact together that produce these protective effects. So don't just think that some vitamin C pill is going to replace a real source of vitamin C from a real food source, because it won't. So if you're gonna go try and OD on vitamin C, go for the real thing. Go for freshly squeezed orange juice. Pasteurized orange juice will not work because all the phytochemicals have been basically processed out of the juice through high heat. So go with fresh squeezed. Oranges are also very, very anti-cancer. They did a whole review of 48 studies, and they concluded that people who have a diet high in citrus fruits have reduced levels of particular types of cancers, especially cancers of the mouth, of the larynx, of the esophagus, and of the stomach. And these are areas where you have a high cell turnover rate. It reduces some cancers by up to 50% just by adding citrus fruits to your diet. Also, because of the micronutrient profile of oranges, so like I had mentioned before, the folate, the potassium, the vitamin C, oranges are very heart healthy. They lower your blood pressure and support heart health and prevent cardiovascular disease. Another cool thing that I found about oranges is that they have a natural anti-cancer compound complex. This is what they call a compound complex. It's called limonene. Okay, and it's similar to other natural cancer fighters that you'd find in other foods, like for instance, the phenols in chocolate and green tea. You always hear green tea, anti-cancer. Same with like dark chocolate. It's because of these anti-cancer compounds found, and there is anti-cancer compounds in oranges, which is like crazy. This limonene they found is very bioavailable, so it's very easy for your body to extract this from the orange and to use it, which is a big deal because a lot of the times you eat food and they're like, yeah, it has all these great benefits, but your body doesn't actually absorb. Whenever you hear bioavailable and easy for your body to digest, pay attention. This limonene is very easy for your body to digest, and it is very long lasting within the body. They did another study with subjects and they tested subjects after they had consumed this limonene and found that some subjects still had it in their body 24 hours after they had consumed it. Okay, and you might think, well, who cares? Well, believe it or not, I thought this was really interesting. Phenols, okay, like I was mentioning before in dark chocolate and tea, are only active in your body for 4 to 6 hours, and after that they're dissipated. So this limonene actually lasts longer and is bioavailable, and of course it's anti-cancer. So I really wanted to point that out. I thought that was really interesting. And lastly, they did a study, a animal lab study, and they found that there's a class of compounds called polynethyloxylated flavons. Okay, I just butchered that. I'll put it text for you guys, but it's short PMFs. Okay, so this is a class of compounds that they have found is just as effective at lowering your cholesterol as statin drugs. Yeah, just as effective with no side effects as opposed to statin drugs. Okay, they did a study on animals and they found that it can reduce their cholesterol by up to 40% by eating oranges. And so PMFs are most commonly found in the peels of oranges and tangerines. So even if you just grate a little bit of that, okay, put on your salad, whatever, put it in a smoothie, fuck yeah, you're lowering your cholesterol just as well as drugs. That is insane. Okay guys, so those are a few of the amazing health benefits of oranges. Don't underestimate this powerful, amazing fruit. Keep it in your house all the time. I do. There's a lot more, okay? I'm getting this information from the world's healthiest foods. I'd say it's like the online leading authority for nutrition. So I'm going to link that link in the description below so that you can go research it on your own, go check out the studies if you want to. So yeah, I just summarized it for you guys because it's a lot easier to consume information via video than it is to read, I find. So there's the health benefits of oranges, guys. Eat oranges, so amazingly powerfully good for your health, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.